classical dance. And what is that called? Bharatanatyam. That's called Bharatanatyam. That's right. She has been dancing from the last 20 years. And she also has a school where she trained all the kids in handicrafts, in paintings, in the same form of a classical dance performances. Like I was telling you before as well, she has traveled different places from the US, Canada, the UK, India, where she has performed. And we are so fortunate that Shweta is here with us. Let's give her a huge round of applause, everyone. Let's hear up for Shweta for this beautiful classical dance performance that she'll be doing. Okay, so I have a guesswork for you. She's gonna do, not a guesswork, let me give you a kind of a prelude. She's performing on 3 different performances. The first one is where peacocks are dancing with Krishna, and how peacock give their feather, the peacock feather, to Krishna. That's the first performance. The second performance is when Krishna is, what is Krishna known as? Is Krishna a thief as well? Yeah, he's a transcendental thief, right? So he was stealing butter, but Mother Yashoda wants to take that churning stick back from Krishna. That's the second performance. And the third performance is Krishna dancing with the gopis. So she'll be doing all that 1, 2, and 3 performances together with the Bharatanatyam form of dance. So let's welcome Shweta one more time with your huge Haribol. Everyone together, Haribol. Come on, all you kids out here, give her a thunderous applause. Everyone. Thank you, Shweta. Over to you.
Sadaనందేతి బ్రూహి ముకుందే ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಮೊಗನುಡೆದರೆ ಮೊಗರುಡೆದರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಾರದುರವೇ ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಮೊಗರುಡೆದರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಾರದುರವೇ ಕಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಪೂಜಿಯ ಸಂದು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಕಟಿಸುವೆ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಪೂಜಿಯ ಸಂದು ನಿನ್ನಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಕಾಲಿಗೆ ಕಟಿಸುವೆ ಬಟ್ಟಲು ತುಂಬಿದ ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿನಗಿವೆ ಬಟ್ಟಲು ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಿನಗಿವೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಕಣಿಯೇ ಬಾರಾಮ ಕಟ್ಟಾಣಿ ಮುತ್ತಿನ ಕಣಿಯೇ ಬಾರಾಮ ಕೊಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಬಡವರ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ನಿಧಿಗೆ ಗೋಪುರದ ಒಡೆಯ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಬಡವರ ಭಾಗ್ಯದ ನಿಧಿಗೆ ಗೋಪುರದ ಒಡೆಯ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ಕಡಲೊಂದು ತುಡುಗು ಮಾಡುವರೇನು ಕಡಲೊಳು ತುಡುಗು ಮಾಡುವರೇನು ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗ ಮಾರಂಗ ರಂಗಯ್ಯ ರಂಗ ಮಾರಂಗ ಹಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಚಿನ್ನವೇ ಮೊಗರುಡೆದರೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಾರದುರವೇ ಹಡಗೋಲ ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ
गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे गोपी गोपाल लाल गोपी गोपाल लाल लाल गोपी गोपाल लाल लाल गोपी गोपाल लाल लाल गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे शरद चंद पौंछत जल श्रमानंद राधा मुख शरद चंद पौंछत जल श्रमानंद श्री ब्रज चंद लटक लटक श्री ब्रज चंद लटक लटक भरत मुकुट छाई गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माही यमुना चकित थकित यमुना नीर चकित थकित यमुना नीर खर जगमग शरीर चकित थकित यमुना नीर चकित थकित यमुना नीर खर जगमग शरीर ध्वनि नंद के कुमार बलि बलि जाय सूरदास बलि बलि जाय सूरदास दास सुख निहार गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे तथा तेता सुधंग निरत गहिवा गोपी गोपाल लाल रास मंडल माहे गोपी गोपाल
Come on, everyone, let's hear it up for Shweta. Everyone together, come on. You have to give her a round of applause. That is encouraging for her. It takes so much effort, specifically, I believe, for any classical dance performance to come on stage and perform. One, they have to get ready in a particular way. As she has got ready, you can see, with all the jewelry, with the ghungroos and different things. So thank you so much. This is a special, appreciation. Just a token of appreciation from our side. So let's hear it up for Shweta, everyone. Shweta, I know that you're a founder and director of Swaksha School of Dance and the Visual Arts. Like, that's the right name of the school? Yes. So I know you've been teaching for a while. Why do you think I'm gonna let you go away from the stage without teaching us a step? Do you think I'm gonna do that? No! We'll all learn one step of Bharatnatyam from Shweta. Are you ready? Yes, how many of you are ready to learn that one step of Bharatnatyam? See, this whole cultural program, we learned one step of Kathak in the beginning. Now we'll learn one step of Bharatnatyam. Okay, how many of you can even tell me the difference? What's the difference between Kathak and Bharatnatyam? There are two different kinds of classical Indian dance performances. Anyone? Anyone knows the difference? Anyone knows the difference? No one? Okay, everyone's a good spectator. You know the difference? Come here.